let's do number 2 now. So a landscape designer builds custom garden ponds. Most of his clients want a circular pond that is 1.5 feet deep and has a 4-foot diameter. Okay, so let's draw our pond. So here is my pond, which is approximately 1.5 feet deep. That's my height, and has a diameter of 4 feet. The ponds are lined with a synthetic rubber liner, which is bought in rolls of 10 feet by 15 feet for $149. How many ponds can be lined with one roll? So we first need to figure out the surface area of one pond to see how many ponds we can roll with one roll of liner. So remember that the formula for a cylinder is 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h, where r is equal to my radius and h is equal to my height. Okay, so I have the diameter. Remember that the radius is equal to half of the diameter. Okay, so my radius is equal to 2 feet. So I'm going to plug those numbers in. 2 times 3.14 times 2 squared plus 2 times 3.14 times 2 times 1.5. Okay, 2 squared is 4. So then I have 3.14 times 4 plus 3.14 times 2 times 1.5. Okay, if I go 3.14 times 4, that gives me 12.56 plus 3.14 times 2 times 1.5 is equal to 9.42. Times both of those by 2, and that is going to give me 1884 plus 2 times 12.56 is equal to 25.12. Add these two together, and that gives me a total of 43.96 feet squared. Okay, so I'm done that calculation, but I now need to figure out what the square footage of my roll that can cover. So 10 times 15 is going to give me 150 feet squared. Okay, so I can cover 150 square feet of surface area with my roll of synthetic rubber. Considering that there are 43 square feet for one pond, I can cover 3 ponds. Okay, and you can do that by going 150 divided by 43.96 is going to give me 3.41. But because you can't cover half of a pond or part of a pond, I can cover 3 ponds. How much does it cost to line one pond? So if I were to buy only part of this and see what my cost per pond is going to be, I'm going to take my square feet, so 43.96, and divide it by the 150 feet that can be covered through one roll. So 43.96 divided by 150 gives me 0.293. I'm going to times that by the $149, which gives me $43.67. So it costs me $43.67 per pond. Okay, per pond. Now, number 3. A company manufactures aluminum cans in 2 sizes. Can A has a diameter of 2.5 inches and a height of 4.5 inches. Can B has a diameter of 3 inches and a height of 3 inches. Which requires more aluminum to manufacture? So which one has the biggest surface area? So again, we're going to calculate the surface area for both. So remember my formula. It's going to be the same formula for both cans. 2 times pi r squared plus 2 times pi rh. Okay, so for this one I've got 2. Remember that it's giving me my diameter, not my radius, so I need to find half of both of those. So half of this, my radius is going to be 1.25 inches here, and here my radius is going to be 1.5 inches. So 2 times 3.14 times 1.25 squared plus 2 times 3.14 times 1.25 times 4.5. Okay, so 1.25 squared is 1.56. So I've got 3.14 times 1.56. Okay. Plus, I can times these all together, 3.14 times 1.25 times 4.5 gives me 17.66. Okay, 3.14 times 1.56 is 2 times 4.90 plus 2 times 17.66. Okay, so I've got 9.7, actually it's going to be 80 plus 2 times 17.66 is equal to 35.32. Add those two together and I get 45.12 inches squared. Now I'm going to do the same thing over here. So I've got 2 times 3.14 times 3 squared plus 2 times 3.14 times, oh, sorry, not 3 squared, 1.5 squared. Let's fix that right now. See, I almost made that mistake of using my diameter instead of my radius. So it's really important that you either change that number or make a note that it's your radius, not your diameter. Plus 2 times 3.14 times 1.5 times 3. Okay, so 1.5 squared is equal to 2.25. So I've got 3.14 times 2.25 plus 2. Again, I can multiply these out. So 3.14 times 1.5 times 3 is equal to 14.13. Then I can multiply my pi and my radius squared. So I'll have 3.14 times 2.25 is going to give me 7.065. Okay, or I can round that to 7 plus 214.13. So times that by 2 gives me 14.13 plus, if you rounded this to 7, you may have gotten 14.14. It's fine. 2 times 14.13 is equal to 28.26. Add them together. You should have either gotten 42.39 inches squared or 42.40 inches squared. Both are correct, and really it doesn't matter because at the end of the day, this is my bigger number. So can A is going to require more aluminum. Okay, so can A requires more aluminum. If you have any questions, please feel free to shoot me an email or post in Google Classroom, and I would be happy to help explain this a little bit further. Have a great day, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.